Hey guys, welcome to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today it's all about the curry, and this episode starts right now. Okay guys, as I mentioned, today it's all about curry. I've got the ingredients here, let's check them out. Okay guys, here's the ingredients. I have some country style boneless ribs right here. Country style boneless pork ribs. We are going to use a medium onion sliced. I like to slice it. Usually in curry they'll dice it up very small, but I like the visual and the texture of it. I have 2 tomatoes, 2 Roma tomatoes, some cilantro for our dish and for garnish. I have a small bag of baby red potatoes, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, a can of coconut milk. We are going to be using black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder to enhance our fresh vegetables, ground ginger, and coriander. We have curry powder as well that I use, which I will be using curry powder, regular and hot. I'll show you how I do that. And of course some salt to taste. And I also have some lemon. I have them soaked in some lemon. We'll put a little more, and we'll put 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to add richness to our dish. Okay guys, so I'll meet you over at the stove and let's get cooking. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with, I've got some VO juice here, about a tablespoon of VO juice. Woo! Yes. To grab our garlic, our tomatoes. Look at that, you guys. Yum! Add some fresh ground black pepper. You all know me that we need to enhance our onions. So we'll put a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of coriander. Yum. Got a teaspoon of fresh ground ginger. It's looking and smelling good already. I mentioned of my regular curry powder. Spicy curry powder. Yum. Alright, so we're going to stir that up. Two tablespoons of unsalted butter will add so much richness to the dish. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to higher the heat a little bit. There we go. Let's higher the heat. You hear that? So I have been soaking these for about an hour in lemon juice. Look at that. Beautiful country style ribs. They're called country style ribs because they are boneless. Right over here, I'm gonna go ahead and open my can of coconut milk. Yum. Our baby reds. Remember, the nutrition's in the skin. I always like to put the salt at the end. Put a teaspoon of salt. Because I don't like for it to miss anything. I will taste it later, see if it needs any more salt. Look at that. Oh God. Let's put it on medium there. Let's let that baby simmer for about 35 minutes. I'm going to let it simmer for about 35 minutes, you guys. And when I come back, yum yum, we are going to plate that on a bed of rice. And you guys, this is the easiest recipe. The longest part of it is just leaving it, let it simmer for 35 minutes, cover it. And you guys, this is so delicious and so flavorful. And you don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I came back for a second. Forgot to mention, our pork was marinating in lemon juice, but I'm going to add some more lemon juice to our curry. I totally forgot to mention that, sorry. But I wanted to come back and let you guys know. About a tablespoon of a little bit more lemon juice. Check it real quick. Hey guys, came back for a minute. I wanted to show you. Let me show you this. Look how the actual little ribs start falling apart. You see that? That's the acid and the lemon. What I did was I came back. You can check it, of course. You have to check it. Look how beautiful that looks. So what I did was I came back and I added half of the can of the coconut milk with a little bit of water to make a nice thick sauce. See how it falls apart? Look, when you just touch it, it just falls apart. I think it's amazing. So we probably have about another 15 minutes on medium. And you guys, this is starting to look so delicious. Hey guys, I'm back and we are ready to plate and taste. Keep in mind though, I have made other curries in the past. Curries are made in very different ways. There's the basic way with the curry paste or the curry powder and the special ingredients. It's so fragrant, so delicious. Some curries that I make are saucier than others. They're soupier than others. This one, the country style rib one that I just made, is not floating in like a soupy type of liquid. So all curries are different, but this is delicious. I've got some white rice here and I'm going to plate. Yum. Delicious. You can add some more water if you want to make it a little bit stoupier. I normally, on other curries that I've made, chicken curry, you can see that, check the video out on my channel if you're interested in that, and just check it out so you can see it, and wow. Either way, so sometimes I make it soupier, sometimes I don't. Okay guys, so I'm here back at the counter. Let's add some fresh cilantro. Like I always say, you guys, I just cut it up coarsely chop it, or if you don't want to, look at that. Look at this, you guys. Let's get a close-up. Yum. And as I said before, this is delicious. It's a nice thick consistency, not as soupy. As I said, you can add some more water if you want to make it soupier, but there's really no need with the country ribs. This is my version of my country style boneless ribs. Hey cameraman, you want to come taste it?
Yes, I do.
Come around this way, cameraman. Here we have our cameraman, my husband. Say hi. So you ready to taste?
Oh, yes.
All right. So let me get the first dibs in here. Yum. Actually, I'll get some cilantro, a small piece of potato. Probably hot, very, very hot. Here, honey, I'll let you go first. Let me serve you first. Now it's my turn, guys.
Delicious.
My mouth is watering. My mouth is always watering when I'm tasting. Oh my God, I get so antsy and my mouth is watering. Curry is something that's so special. It's so special to so many of us. Oh my God, it's one of the great recipes. It's one of the great things of the world, curry.
Yes, indeed.
There you go. Hot.
Real good.
That's amazing.
It is. You did it again?
I love, yeah, I did it again. I love how that lemon pops. How that acid, it's got the right exact acid that pops, and then you have the heat of the curry in your throat after you swallow it. Oh, it's so delicious. Let me try it again. All right. I have to try it twice, sorry. Yum. Guys. Red potatoes are the best for any stew you're making. Reason being is they're less starchy, for example, than the russets. Now the russets are the great potatoes for baked potatoes and what have you, you know, because they're high in starch. The red potato is a little bit lower, so it stays a lot firmer. Oh, that is so good.
What's really
I still have that heat in the back of my
Me
throat.
too. Makes you want more and more.
It does. So you guys, remember, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button, but don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And as I always say, my two main ingredients, which are...
Passion and love.
That's right, passion and love. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. If you incorporate those two main ingredients, passion and love, in your dish, it will not fail. I repeat, your dish will not fail. And as I always say, do not forget the merch. We have our new designs, Passion and Love for Men, aprons, Passion and Love for Women, you guys. And visit us at www.stovetopyumyum.com at the bottom of the screen. Of course, and don't forget promo code STOVETOP. That'll save you 10% on your order. And also, guys, shipping is free. Shipping in the state of Florida is always free. But until the end of this month, I will include free shipping in all over the U.S. So you don't want to miss out. We only have till the end of the month, you guys. And as I always say, au revoir, I love you, los quiero, and until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.